Welcome to another Bloxels EDU tutorial video. This one about creating art. We're going to go into the art builder. So tap on this orange icon and we're going to create new art. So grab this little icon on the top left and it'll take you to a blank screen. For this video, we're going to create a coin. So I'm going to type this into the top of the name here. On the right, you can see this color palette. Now on the left side of this palette, there are colors selected, but you can grab this wheel and select any color you want. And you'll see to the right, after you've selected it, you have from dark all the way to the lighter colors. Now, for this coin, I'm going to make it gold. So I'm going to go through and change these colors so that I have as many different shades of yellow as I need. And I'm going to throw a little brown in because it's pretty close. First things first, I'm going to grab the outline color that I've picked and I'm going to draw the outline of this coin. I'm going to do the top, I'm going to do the corners, and I'm going to do the sides. Now when you're doing your own art, you can be as creative as you want to be. You don't have to copy what I'm doing for your coins. You can draw anything. I'm going to grab a lighter shade here and I'm going to throw some highlights in around the top. I'm going to grab each of these different shades as I draw to give the coin a little more depth. That's starting to look more like a coin. Let's grab this darker one and outline the bottom. And then let's put a little shading on the inside. Just like that, we have a coin. Now, if you ever want to change the color of what you've already created, just grab the tile that you used to draw it with and move along the colors in the wheel. From there, you can also choose what shade of the color you selected you want to use. Say we want to turn the coin into a pink coin. You can go through and grab each of these little yellow tabs you've already created and slide them into the red, and then pick the shades of red you want to use. Just like that, in a few seconds, we can change all of our art from one color into another color, just based on what you want to do. When you're done creating your art, make sure you go back to the art builder, tap on the art you just made, and share it to the class library. That way, your classmates can use all the art you've created in their games, and you can use theirs. That's going to do it for this tutorial video. Thanks so much for watching. Have fun out there. I'll see you next time.